4K. That's why. Focus. Ooh, 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 ooh. Am I ever gonna get this done? Ooh. Okay, never mind. That's better. Thank you, bam, to Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video. They were kind enough to send me out a unit. We will do a quick unboxing, but do subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, get all push notifications, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment down. You know where. Below. So now let's go ahead and get into Miss Julia Hair. Oh boy, I forgot what I picked. So this is going to be, of course, obviously a blonde unit. They were kind enough to send a nice little goodie bag. Y'all know the deal. It's got a scarf, some eyelashes, maybe a little edge brush, wig cap or two, and whoo, damn. Ooh, thank God that did not have my address on it. Okay. This is their highlight color straight wave 13x4 unit with a pre-plucked lace frontal, 150% density. First impressions, I don't know about the blonde. I did this video for a specific reason. I want to go in to the different type of brown girl friendly units available in the blonde realm. We're gonna go ahead, put this baby on the mannequin head, and get to work.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the guarantee and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kidding, I let my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
Okay, listen, let me start off by saying I am not a pro. Okay, I am just simply sharing tips and tricks with you that I have learned along the way when it comes to blonde hair. So first and foremost, if you are interested in the full review on this unit, I will have that at the end of this video. I will also have timestamps for everything that I do talk about. When it comes to blonde hair, you have to pick your cue. I mean, you have to pick whether or not you are going to go on the warm side or the cool side with your blonde units. Now, I am no stranger when it comes to doing different type of colors on this channel. I have done a little bit of red, I've done a lot of brown, I've done a lot of chocolate, I've done like 1/613. You will never see. I've done blue, red, violet, I've done rainbow colors, you know, and I've done quite a few blonde units. This will also depend on your skin tone and your confidence. It took me eons, literally forever, to figure out that I do have a little bit of a red undertone. I do not go towards the warmer blondes. I don't do a lot of honey blondes. I don't do a lot of this color. I tend to go with the more cooler blondes, which is going to be more of the whiter blondes that you see up here and more of the ash toned or the gray kind of colored blondes. So you can definitely pull off the warmer blondes if you decide to. However, for me, the cooler blondes are where it's at. For this look, baby, I did decide to go ahead and pair this with a white colored top. That is going to counteract all of the yellow that's going on right now. I think the hairline came out stupendously. Now, your girl did pliggity pluck to my liking, and I think it came out really, really good. And the ear tabs did pretty much pop into place. I did have to finesse this side just a little bit. It wasn't all the way on my ear. So as far as this being big head friendly, it's teetering, baby. Okay, we're teetering. We're big head friendly-ish, kind of in the ballpark, if you will. So I would definitely prefer, you know, 180 or some more layers in this unit. I can't remember the length on this, but I did cut just a little bit off of the bottom, you know, just to give it more of a full look. Now I know, we hitting spring/summer, but hey, this is the only white I had. So big thank you to Julia Hair. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications. Most importantly, drop your color comment down below. We are on the road to 100K. Let's get there by June 1st. When's that? My birthday. That's what. So thank you so much, ladies. I appreciate all of your support. Keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all later.